I have something from T-Launch, formerly known as Test Launch. Arachnid 2.0 wheel cover, 18-inch for my Model 3 Highland. So as you can see, there is two colors here. This is in grey and this is in black. Let's check out behind. As you can see, the clips are very sturdy here as well. It also comes with this, and you get this as well. Just peel off this and stick it on here later. I'm going to take out the existing one. Now let's use this and stick on all the sides here. This is the foam, and all you need to do is just peel out here and start by putting it on the sides. Just make sure this U-shape here goes to here. Okay, just make sure to fit it exactly to this. Push. So all the four wheels have changed to this wheel cap. Let's try and pull out. It's pretty sturdy. So if you guys wanted to get one of these from T-Launch, please click on the description and use my code to get some discounts. Bye.